Hi, in this video I will cover some specifics of the Hat Global System Integrator Partner Program. Just to avoid the confusion, later in this video I will refer to this program as a GSI program. Without further ado, let's jump to our agenda and see what are we going to learn. So we will start with having a closer look at the GSI program. We are not going to deep dive into details or program requirements, but will rather focus mainly on the benefits, portals, and various tools. Then I will take you through our partner portal and I will demonstrate some of the most relevant features. We also call it Partner Connect for business partners, just so that you are familiar with the term. Then I will show you our learning platform, where you will be able to learn about our products and achieve accreditations. We call it Open, and it stands for Online Partner Enablement Network. I will then touch on how to obtain NFR, or not for resale product subscriptions, for demonstrating it to your customers. Let's dive right in. So GSI program, let's have a look what's in there for you. Within the program, we have 3 partnership tiers: Ready, Advanced, and Premier. Depending on the level of your engagement with us, you will have a possibility to progress and upgrade your tier. The higher is your tier, the more benefits will be available for you. Regardless of your tier, we give you an opportunity to train your experts. There is a countless number of various accreditations, online courses, assessments, and e-labs available on our Partner Enablement Network. And a great thing is that it's all free for you. With Red Hat, you have a possibility to plan joint marketing activities, share your success stories, make them public, access our marketing campaign assets, and other valuable sales resources, all of which are aimed to promote your solutions. With Red Hat's business model, you will be able to expand your customer base, develop relationship with them, and establish steady annual revenue from the renewals, part of which can also lead to new projects, upsales, and cross-sales. There is also a deregistration program available for you, which is another benefit that will allow you to hit higher margins, stay competitive, and maximize your sales overall. So as I have mentioned in the beginning, I'm not going to go too deep into the details. However, I really encourage you to get in touch with us should you have any questions or require more information. Alrighty, so next let's have a look at our partner portal or Partner Connect. It's a one-stop online information resource and a powerful tool for Red Hat Partner. But wait, actually, before you can access our Partner Connect, you need to get an access. There are a few steps that you need to do in order to join the existing account. First, you will have to visit partner.redhat.com/connect/business. Then hit Join an existing company and register for a redhat.com account. Now let's fill out all the necessary fields. I would suggest you to pick your login name that matches your email address so that it's easy to remember. Provide your email address. In this step, it's absolutely crucial to use your corporate email domain. Public domains like Google or Yahoo are not going to work. Then create a strong password, provide your company name and the title, first name, last name, that's an address, postcode, city, company phone number. That's it. First part of the registration process is complete. We have created Origin login and now we can proceed to a second part. In the next window, you are given the choice of the different programs. Select Systems Integrator, then click Next Step. Choose your company's account, then press Submit for approval. In case if your company does not appear on the list, then click I can't find my company in order to get assistance. After completion, an email will be sent to the email address associated to your login. Please open this email and click on the verification link. This will activate your access to a Partner Connect. So once you are able to get into a Partner Connect, you will have access to all our training, promotions, sales, and technical resources, all to help you deepen your expertise in our technologies. Now let me give you a tour around Partner Connect and show you our user interface. On the homepage, in the center, you will find our recommended resources for you, tailored according to your status and program you're in. On the bottom left corner, you will find a very handy menu, My Info. There you can see info about yourself, setup localization, company info. There you can see your company profile, which you can edit. Training, there you can see training status. Partner Locator, there you will find settings for Partner Locator. Partner Locator is, by the way, one of the benefits. That's a customer-facing page which reflects your current company profile, your skills and specialization, so I would encourage you to keep your details up to date as well as your logo. Next, we have User Administration. There you can add your colleagues so that they can also access Partner Connect. This is by far the fastest method of gaining the access. Now, let's have a look at the top menu. Under the Dashboard tab, you will find Deal Registration Tool, NFRs, User Management, Changing Password, and more. You will see later that some functionalities can be found in multiple places for your convenience. Under the Learn tab, you will be able to find a course catalog of all the available courses and accreditations. Next, under Market, you will find various sales and marketing resources. Under Sell, you will find technical library containing various technical resources as well as a link to our product demo system, which I will show you later on. Next, we will have a look at Open. Since Open contains a lot of various courses, it will be very difficult to navigate around it without a certain structure. I bet anyone would ask which course is the right one for me. For that, let's first open Course Catalog. Now, that way is much easier to determine where to go. Vertically, we have roles, sales engineer and delivery. Horizontally, we have specializations, data center infrastructure, middleware, and cloud. Let me quickly explain you the roles. Sales, as you can imagine, is the role for salesperson. That means that all the courses and topics are going to be tailored for a typical salesperson. Sales engineer, this role includes some of the topics for a salesperson, and also some of the topics are going to be quite technical. This role best fits a typical pre-sales person. Delivery role is a pure technical. The track only contains e-labs. E-labs are basically real-world practical activities which a trainee would perform in a virtual environment using the actual software. So let's say I'm a salesperson and I'm selling cloud technologies. Let's hit the button and see what have we got in there. Here we can get a rough idea what are we going to learn, but we can get even more details. And here we go. We can see now the full list of courses available with the specified duration of the course. Okay, now since we have made our choice of the course we want to take, let's click on Learn, then go to Learn, and then Get Trained. Once you see the Welcome to Open, you know you're in. Here, right in the middle, we have same structure as in the catalog. In order to register for the course, just click whichever role and specialization is relevant to you. So in my case, it was sales and cloud infrastructure. Then you can see the list of skills. Whenever you see prerequisite, that always means this is the course you must begin with. You won't be able to proceed without having prerequisites completed. So just select the course and click Register, the Submit button. And you are ready to take a course. In general, each course is finished with an assessment. After you have successfully completed the assessment, you will receive an email confirming you have achieved accreditations. All accreditations are valid for 2 years. You will receive a notification that you need to renew your accreditations before accreditation completely expires. Next, let's have a look at the NFRs, or not for resale subscriptions. These are the demo products for partners only, and they will last for 1 year. Use cases for NFRs are quite limited. Generally, it's for demonstration to your customers, building demo stands, internal testing, and learning. It cannot be used for production or transfer to third parties. It cannot be used also to provide updates or support to third parties either. Now let me show you how to request NFRs. I have to point out that the process is not instant. It normally takes us 2 to 3 days to process it. So make sure you keep that in mind and plan ahead. So let's go back to Partner Connect. There are multiple ways you can request an NFR. Either you can do it via top menu, you can also click on My Company Profile and scroll down to the section with the NFRs, or you can click on Request Additional NFRs here on the left. Next, we need to select the name of the requester. Make sure the person has access to a Partner Connect. Next, select the use case. I will choose Customer Demonstration. Then you will have to provide the business justification. So I will write something like building demo data center for customer XYZ. Next, below you can see the list of available products to choose from. If you cannot find the product you are looking for in the list, just get in touch with us. Alright, so I will then select the products I need. So let's say I will need OpenStack for my VMs. I will choose Ceph to provide storage for those VMs, and I will manage all that with Ansible. Next, on the bottom, right there we need to agree to the terms of use so it's fairly clear when NFRs should not be used. Next, hit save and submit. By the way, it's also important to mention that NFR subscription gives you access to our knowledge base. We will need up to 3 days to process your request. Once your request is processed, you will receive a notification. Then you will need to get the actual software. For that, you will have to go to customer portal, which is access.redhat.com. Log in with the same login you use for Partner Connect. Go to Downloads, choose the relevant product, let's say RHEL, and on the bottom you will be able to download the ISO image. That's it. So next in line is our Red Hat product demo system. We also call it RHPDS. It's a system designed purely for customer demonstration. To access RHPDS, just go to rhpds.redhat.com. Note that you don't have access to RHPDS by default, and you will have to request it. I'm administering access to RHPDS in EMEA, so you can send your request to emea-partner-team@redhat.com, and I'll happily enable the access for you. Within the system, we have tons of pre-configured demo environments. So let's say your customer is interested in having a look at enterprise virtualization. So you would have to go to a catalog, choose whichever demo you want, and then order it. Spinning up the environment takes 15 to 40 minutes, depending on the complexity and the number of virtual machines provisioned. You will receive an email with notification that your environment is ready, along with credentials and instructions how to use demo environment. Make sure you read the manual that comes with every demo environment. So that's it for today. I hope you have learned something new. Please do not hesitate to contact us in case you will need some help. You can open a support ticket, or you can write an email to emea-partner-team@redhat.com. All the links I have mentioned in this video you will find in the description below. Like the video. If it was helpful, feel free to comment and ask for additional content or tutorials. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more.